Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to appear offline on Discord. Follow these steps to set your status to invisible, that is, appear offline on the Discord web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and visit the Discord web at discord.com. Then in the website, click Open Discord and log in using your account's credentials. Once logged in, it's going to take you to this homepage. On the homepage, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where your profile name and avatar are displayed. Then click on go ahead and click on your profile picture or your current status. Click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to see this option. Now, my current status says online. Okay, so once you click on this online option, go ahead and just click on that. Then you see a drop-down menu. A menu will pop showing the following status options. Number 1, online. That's the green dot, meaning you are active. Number 2, idle. That's the yellow dot. It means you are away or inactive. Then you have do not disturb. That is the red dot. It means notifications are muted. Then you have invisible, which is the gray dot. It means you appear offline but can still use Discord. So select invisible here to appear offline. So now it's invisible and you are no more visible. Once selected, your status icon will change to a gray circle, which is here, and you will appear offline to users. Now, note that invisible status allows you to browse servers, send messages, and interact with Discord without others knowing you are online. You can manually change your status back to online or another option at any time by repeating the process. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.